Hello, Paul Minkler here, and I'm going to share with you now how I dealt with adversity, how I encourage everyone else to deal with it, and share the skills and knowledge that I've gained so far from the University of Washington. I've always had a passion for aerospace and gaining new knowledge, so shortly after graduating from Embry-Riddle with my bachelor's degree and being in a position of no longer having a job offer after it got revoked last minute from the government shutdown, I pushed forward. I rounded up and compiled my application materials for the Master of Science degree program in Aeronautics and Astronautics at the University of Washington. And I'm proud to say I had the honor of being one of the less than 30% accepted into the program. And so far, I have excelled. One of the great things about this program is the courses that are taught at the university are recorded, which allows me to continue to learn while I work on my career, and it provides me that flexibility. And they're the exact same courses that are taught physically inside the classroom at the University of Washington campus in Seattle. Now, I've gained experience with finite element analysis, including formulation of the finite element method using variational and weighted residual methods, element types and interpolation functions, and application of the finite element method to elasticity problems, thermal conduction problems, and other problems of engineering and physics. I further solidified my mechanical aptitude in my Mechanics of Solids course, where I learned the general concepts and theory of solid mechanics, large deformations, behavior of elastic, viscoelastic, and plastic solids, the linear theory of elasticity and thermoelasticity, as well as wave propagation in solids. I'm going to keep explaining my time at the University of Washington so far, but as I'm explaining, if you believe that I bring value to your company, your team, your mission, then go ahead and connect with me and let's start a discussion on just how I may be an asset to you. Okay, back to it. So I also gained extensive composites experience and integrity of composite aerospace structures that dealt with damage tolerance, non-conforming parts, composite failure, initiation and propagation, bolted and bonded joints, and testing leading to consideration of regulatory agency requirements. I gained familiarity with CMH 17 and Mill Handbook 17. Additionally, I conducted analysis and design of composite materials for aerospace structures, the micromechanics, anisotropic elasticity, laminated plate theory, thermo-viscoelastic behavior, and fracture of composites in completing my Mechanics of Composites materials course. It's a mouthful, I know. Speaking of regulatory agencies, I was privileged to take an Integrity of Metallic Aircraft Structures course from none other than Seattle FAA Aircraft Certification Office's own Patrick Safarian. In his course, I not only learned the FAA certification process for an aircraft, but I gained familiarity and knowledge of the foundations of linear elastic and nonlinear fracture mechanics and cohesive modeling, effects of damage in the fracture process zone with emphasis on the scaling of structural strength, and finite element simulations for scaling of quasi-brittle structures. Now, maybe my favorite course that I've completed so far is my Aeroelasticity course taught by AIAA fellow Dr. Eli Livney. In this course, I used MATLAB to address static and dynamic aeroelasticity, unsteady aerodynamics, aeroservoelastic modeling, active control, and gust response. It was quite a fun course, and I mastered a lot. As you can see, I've dedicated a tremendous amount of time, money, and effort in growing as an individual and growing my knowledge of the aerospace field. I've since put my graduate level work on pause to focus on my career right now, but I look forward to the day where I complete my Master of Science degree in Aeronautics and Astronautics. So if you can see me filling a role and being an asset to your company, on your team, on your mission, then connect with me, send me a message, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be talking with you soon. Bye-bye for now.